Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand how to view reconciled transactions. If you have mistakenly reconciled a book transaction with an incorrect bank transaction, then you have the option to unlink those transactions. To unlink, you need to view the list of reconciled transactions. Let's see how you can view the reconciled transactions. Press Alt-G. Type or select banking activities and press Enter. In the banking activities screen, drill down from the bank reconciliation column of a particular bank to view the bank reconciliation summary. In the bank reconciliation summary screen, press F5 to view reconciled transactions. Alternatively, you can view the reconciled transactions from the bank reconciliation report. In the bank reconciliation screen, press Ctrl-H and select View Reconciled. In the Reconciled Transactions Monthly Summary screen, you can see all the reconciled transactions under Reconciled through Linking and Manually Reconciled headers. If you notice any incorrect reconciliations, you can unlink such transactions. Let's see how to unlink auto-reconciled transactions. To directly unlink the transactions under Reconciled through Linking, select the transaction and press Alt F8. Alternatively, you can select the transaction and press F8 to modify the reconciled transaction. In the Bank Reconciliation Reconciled Modify Matches screen, select the required transaction and press F10 to remove the linked transaction. Now you can reconcile with the correct transactions. Select the relevant transaction and press F9 to add the transaction. Press R to reconcile. Let's see how to unreconcile manually reconciled transactions. To unreconcile the transactions under Manually Reconciled, select the transaction and press F9 to set the status. In the Bank Reconciliation Reconciled screen, set the transaction status as System Inferred. Press Ctrl-A to accept the screen. Now you can reconcile with the correct transactions. As you saw, in TallyPrime you can easily view the reconciled transactions and unlink them to be correctly reconciled. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl plus F1 to learn how to complete the task.